So this is Loki. Isn't he cute? Up. Good boy. And we're going to see if he enjoys his new pecking traffic light from Wilco. This is just a piece of wood with some holes drilled in it. It's filled with millet, peanuts, some beetroot I think as well. The ingredients are there. No sunflower seeds, which is cool. And it's got a nice little bit of rope there to attach it to the cage. So Loki, good boy. You need to go back in there and then you can have your treat. I don't think he wants to. So hanging it's quite easy, but you do need to have one of those metal clips beforehand. He definitely seems interested. Go on then. I always find cockatiels are a bit dumb when they try and get around. I'll give him a little help. Come on then. Up you go. Up. Up. Good boy. There we go. What's that then? What's that? I don't think he really knows what it is. He's never seen one before. I quite like this because it's a bit of a foraging toy for him. So that didn't go very well. He just pretty much just hissed at it. But now I'm holding it, he seems a little bit more interested. That's a good boy. Cockatiels seem to be scared of everything unless they see their members of their flock, i.e. me, demonstrating that it's safe. All I had to do was walk up to it and nibble it. There you go, he likes it now. That's good. A few words of encouragement. Good boy. I think I'll just hang it back up again and see what happens. So that's it. He's actually learnt now that there's food inside of it. This is going to keep him busy for a good few hours. I'm going to take it out after an hour or so and then put it back in occasionally when he's been good. So, more videos of Loki coming soon.